Alright, you guys are having their first play
coming in the
date.
mail.
Merlin meets well, actually no. Merlin plays with Chico. They've met already.
You love Choo Choo Charles?
Choo Choo Charles.
Yeah, Choo Choo Charles.
Okay, that one is a bit too new for me. Is it a good show?
You love Static or Spider-Man?
I love Spider-Man. He's freaking awesome.
I love Spider-Man. He's super awesome.
Merlin's getting dirty.
Oh my gosh, it's so guy. He's got to get brushed anyways. He's been shedding all over the place. Take down.
You look like Spider-Man. Spider-Putt.
Take down.